So here's a before. See how the old foam is all flat. So on the new one, we're gonna add that 1 inch side bolsters. Add 1/2 inch in the middle, in the front as well. Same pleateds. In the back, same concept. And an inch 3/4 on the sides. We're gonna use that same middle section right there. 1 inch pleats on top, or yeah, it's 1 inch pleats, and then the pleats right there, the beige ones, the cream color one. And yeah, well, now we're gonna work on the back. We have the two seats ready. I just installed one, and then now we're gonna do the backs. And after we finish everything, we'll do the 2 backs. This is the back part, the back panel. All right, stay tuned. guys, so this is the finished product of the bottom of the seat with those springs. This metal wire so it could hold the springs so they could all go down at the same time when the driver sits down. That's the bottom part with all the hug rings, pleated, almost OEM color, with a little side stitching like the OEM. Foam is not new, so but we tried our best. We added 1 inch bolts, about 3/4 to an inch bolster on the sides, and make it feel a little bit more comfortable. All right, let's get to the back. Fam, so here we have the final result of the 1966 Ford Mustang. See how we're able to put the emblems back, the original ones, original pleats, the sizing of it, top pleats, the side we put it back together with the original sides, side plastics, try to match the color as close as possible.